Hello everyone! Welcome back to Study Nova. In today's lesson, we are going to learn Chapter 1.2, the Biological Classification System, with some past paper questions. So get ready to learn, and without wasting any time, let's begin. But first, here's a simple question. Why do scientists classify living organisms? Biological classification is the process of grouping living organisms based on their similarities. This makes organisms much easier to study, compare, and identify. Scientists don't group organisms randomly. They classify them according to how closely they are related. Organisms with more similarities are considered more closely related. Another important term is common ancestor. A common ancestor is a species that lived millions of years ago and gave rise to different species over time. For example, all mammals are believed to share a common ancestor. A species is a group of organisms that can be produced with each other to produce offspring that can also reproduce. The smallest group in which biologists classified living organism is the species. What is the binomial naming system? The binomial naming system is the scientific method used to name every species. The binomial naming system is made up of two names showing up a genus and species. The scientific name for horse is Equus caballus. In the two name, the genus is always written with a capital letter. The second name tells us which species the organism belongs to, and this is written with a small letter, and the two-word name is always written in italics. So now, as you all know about species and the binomial living system, so now let's solve all the past papers questions of P2 and P4, which will help you understand this topic more better. The diagram shows how Homo sapiens could have evolved from earlier ancestors. Which statement about modern people and their ancestors is correct? A. They are in the same species and the same genus. B. They are in the same species but not the same genus. C. They are in the same genus but not the same species. D. They are neither the same species nor the same genus. Correct answer: C. They are in the same genus but not the same species. Question number 2. Using the binomial system of meaning organisms, the name of the lion is Panthera leo. So which statement is correct? A. The lion belongs to the kingdom Panthera. B. The lion belongs to the genus Panthera. C. The lion belongs to the species Panthera. And D. Lion belongs to the genus Leo. So the correct option is B. Question number 3. Which shows an organism that has been named using the binomial system? A brown seaweed, B. polar bear, C. red fox, and D. vulpes vulpes. So the answer is D. Question number 4. Donkeys and zebras are different species. They can be to produce an animal called zedonk. Zedonk are not fertile soon. Which statement is correct? A zedonk and donkeys are the same species. B. Zedonks and zebras are the same species. C. Zedonks are a species. And D. Zedonks are not a species. So the correct answer is D. Question number 5. Our rat has the scientific name Rattus rattus. What do the two parts of this name refer to? A. Genus and species. B. Kingdom and genus. C. Kingdom and species. D. Variety and genus. So the correct option is A. Question number 6. Two animals have an identical sequence of amino acid in one of the proteins found in their cells. What does this indicate about these animals? A. They have been eating the same type of food. B. They have not been exposed to substances that cause mutation. C. They must be members of the same genus. And D. They share an ancestor. So, the correct option is C. Question number 7. The scientific name for the golden eagle is Aquila criceatus. What is the genus of the golden eagle? A. Aquila. B. Criceatus. C. Eagle. D. Golden. So the correct option is A. Question number 8. Some statements about species are given. Which statement are correct? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? So the correct option is option D. Question number 9. The scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens. What does Homo refer? A mammal? B. Genus? C. Kingdom? D. Species? So, the correct option is B. Question number 10. Which statement is true for all species of organisms? Option A. Species is a group of organisms that are genetically identical. Option B. Species is a group of organisms that produce fertile offspring. Option C. Species is a group of organisms that reproduce both asexually and sexually. Option D. Species is a group of organisms that reproduce by sexual means only. So the correct option is option B. Question number 11. The chimpanzee belongs to the species Pan troglodytes. What is the genus of this species? A. Chimpanzee. C. Pan troglodytes. B. Pan. D. Troglodytes. So the correct option is option B. Question number 12. The scientific name for a domestic horse is Equus caballus. Which row shows the two parts of the name using the binomial system? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? So the correct option is option D. Question number 13. Define the term species. So, a species is a group of organisms that can produce with each other to produce of a fertile offspring that can also reproduce. Figure 1.4 is a photograph of the myriapod Apheloria virginiensis. State the genus name and kingdom name for the myriapod shown in Figure 1.4. So the genus is Apheloria and the kingdom is Animal Kingdom. Question number 15. Organisms from the genus Chlorella are protoctists. State the additional information required to name the chlorella according to the binomial system. So the answer is species. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something new from our video. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.